In a nation that thrives on the democratic voices of its people, Indonesia held its fifth general election on February 14, 2024. With 3 candidates and over 204 million registered voters, the national event becomes another testament to the power of every vote. Like any previous election, quick counts are conducted post-voting by survey institutions. Ever since its first practice, quick counts have been regulated by the KPU and are widely accepted as a reliable method to monitor vote tabulations. However, it comes at a cost where victory is immediately claimed by supporters or even candidates based solely on these preliminary results. Not only does this cause tension during the election, they stir public opinion, leading people to not trust in the quick count methodology. This problem is what drives us to experiment on our research paper. By conducting sentiment analysis on public opinion from the social media platform X, our study aims to investigate whether such case of distrust happened in the 2024 election. Utilizing natural language processing techniques, namely Naïve Bayes and LSTM as our classifier models, we compared the two in hope that our findings can guide future sentiment analysis approaches.
Naïve-based is a machine learning algorithm that classifies vector representations of text into the 3 sentiment groups: positive, negative, and neutral. Meanwhile, LSTM is a deep learning algorithm that classifies tokenized text into the same groups. Our dataset consists of posts scraped directly from X and labeled posts collected from public resources like Kaggle and GitHub. The one scraped from X went through a series of data preprocessing and automated labeling, followed by a final manual labeling to ensure human accuracy. And finally, we have our results by evaluating model performance using accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. The accuracy metric returned 80.03% for the LSTM model and 75.142% for the Naïve Bayes, suggesting that LSTM has a better ability in predicting sentiment classes. This is likely because LSTM can capture long-term dependencies between words even if they are far apart in a sentence, meaning the model can analyze complex sentences with ambiguous sentiment. This particular strength can also be seen in the better distribution of the neutral sentiment against the positive and negative produced by the model. Overall, the LSTM-based classifier outperformed the Naïve-based classifier in most metrics. However, a significant flaw in our research is the low recall scores produced by both models when predicting the neutral sentiment class. Our recommendation to improve this is by increasing the size of the dataset to improve greater references to the models. Lastly, the problem we presented at the start of the research is quick count being a potential risk against Indonesian democracy. From our findings, we can conclude that Indonesian people have a generally positive sentiment towards the quick count results of the 2024 election. This indicates that there are still trust towards the quick count methodology and the election organizers.